on you. Yes, indeed.
We stayed up till like 2 a.m. last night just chatting with Adam and catching up and reminiscing on stories. We also like philosophized on like ancient alien civilization talk. It got pretty weird. It was great. I loved it. But I didn't really get any editing work done, so I got up early before the family, getting all my work done, and I'm gonna have some breakfast. It's a beautiful day. So beautiful. I'm just going bowl after bowl here. This is glorious. Oh my god, they must like you, man. I just had a full breakfast and they see you come down, they bring out these bad boys. I just ate breakfast for a continuous like 2.5 hours. No better way to start the day. So my dad rented a boat for a few hours to get ridden around the Mediterranean Sea. We're gonna go hit up some islands, chill on a boat, maybe stop somewhere for lunch. See this blue water? It is so nice. We're just hopping to different island to different island all day, hitting up the ocean, swimming, chilling. So good. You still want to bike at him, or should we just...
No, stay here for a little bit.
Pulled off onto this island restaurant to get some grub.
Mom's like upset, convinced that if you set foot in here, you might as well be prepared to be throwing up for 18 hours.
Yeah, she's obsessed with being like, don't go down into the cabin, you'll get so sick. Which is true, I do get pretty seasick, so I shouldn't hang out here too long. Bachelor pad in there, little kitchen, that's about it.
It's a very nice restaurant.
How are you guys doing? Thank you.
Loving it here. We're not going home. I just want to tell Jackson's fans, we're sorry, but we're not going back to LA. We're gonna run away to the Amalfi coast.
I just want to tell Jackson's fans, we got the suitcases, the jewels look beautiful, and the Indonesians are ready to take them from here.
Thanks guys so much for a great trip, but also just today has been amazing too.
We're glad our son Adam is here, our long lost son.
The moment I've been waiting for the last like 10 days, we're finally ready to build our bikes. We actually have the same bike. We have a Trek 520, it's made of steel. This is a touring bike, it's pretty much indestructible, and we rode these across America. Now we're riding them a few hundred miles across Italy. Here they are, got the same bike, Trek 520, and we even have the Brooks Cadmium 17, the vegan non-leather Brooks saddle, which is beautiful. And yeah, the bikes look good, ready to go.
No damage.
I need a beverage. Lemonade. It's so hot out there. Final night on this incredible little rock dock beach area. So freaking blessed. It's an amazing place. Hey Drew, honest question. You know, when you see us here with our bikes, same bikes that the three of us went across America with, I know your life has changed a lot, all of ours has.
Yeah.
Does it make you at all a little bit like, oh, I kind of want to come, or no way?
Truthfully, I'm thrilled for you guys, but 0 iota.
The nightly tradition continues of the chef just like really wanting to make us some amazing custom stuff. So let's see what we got here for our first course. Got a little like quinoa burger with beets. That's my favorite. Got a beet tattooed on my leg.
Oh, right.
They made us our, I think they're just like fried donut rice balls with a little raisin in them, covered in sugar. Perfect. That dessert was like vegan funnel cake and it was so good. And now what I have to do is get rid of like the vacation clothes that I've been wearing and give that suitcase to my mom to take back home when they leave tomorrow, and I just have to pack my bare essentials for the bike trip. The bike trip officially starts tomorrow. Well, we don't really ride tomorrow, but we leave our parents and start couch surfing tomorrow, and then the next day we start to ride. If you're new to the vlog, welcome. I'm about to ride my bicycle I ride my bicycle across many different countries. This is actually just kind of a short little trip, probably under 1,000 miles in total. We're going from Naples to Sicily, then probably around Sicily, maybe back up. We'll see what we do. We got 3 weeks until we have to be back to America. I'm going with my friend Adam. You saw him in the vlog today. He's the best. It's just gonna be good, fun, crazy times, and I can't wait. And if you live in southern Italy, and you're on the West Coast and we are gonna pass by you, please reach out to me. Send me an email through plantriotic.com because we'd love to hang out with you, stay with you, have a meal with you. You can ride bikes with us, whatever you want. I want to connect with as many of you as possible. I'm so excited. My body's feeling good. My health is feeling better. It all worked out. Thanks to your support, your love, and honestly, Western medicine, let's be real, and carbohydrates, and family, and everything, and meditation, it all comes together. Much love, Dream Extreme.